I saw him. Where are you?
Behind you.
Hi. Let's watch for the spider. Let's be careful. We cannot run into the spider. We can do this.
Okay. Pookie, I know you're afraid of spiders, but do you think you can lead the spider to... Okay, never mind. I was trying to dump the thing out while it chased me. Wait, will it damage us if we run through the fire?
I don't know.
I hope not. Where's that bitch ass spider at? Okay. Let me jump it. It won't let me jump it. Really? It made me dump it while I died. Okay. Whatever.
Go to where you dumped it and put the matches on it.
That's what I was trying to do. Oh, spider. Wait, here is the wet spot. Get the spider. Grab the key and exit. Where's the key at?
Didn't the spider have it?
Oh yeah.
Where'd the spider go?
I think it's get to the exit. Okay. Easy enough. We're right next to it. Unless this is not the exit. Well,
No!
is this not the exit?
No!
Okay. Well, I
Where's
guess we're gonna have to go find the exit.
with the spider?
I think it's dead, but
Oh,
I don't know.
hopefully it is.
Well, I still have the key, so that's good. Do you want to split up?
No.
Okay. We can stay together. Well, I also seen that one room. It was near the chandelier. It was like a elevator. It was like a elevator in a dark room.
Oh.
But it was like behind a glass door that I couldn't open. Because I tried getting it open, but I couldn't. This place is like a freaking maze, man. Don't know where I'm going. That's back by the other place. See, I saw an elevator, but it was like near the. This is where I found the gasoline at. It was like sitting on this table. Gasoline was sitting on this table. But like, I don't know where that place is at again. Like, I can't find it.
We got
Huh?
we got this.
I know, but we came from that way, I think. See, over here was like where the burning chandelier was. Somewhere over here. Yeah, right here. This is where the chandelier was. And then I remember over here was the place with the elevator, the dark room with the elevator that I couldn't get into. I believe it was this way. Yeah, here it is.
That's the exit?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yay. We did it. Yay.